What's up, gang, or just Steven and I. This is our first ever YouTube video. We've been chilling in quarantine like everybody else, so we thought, what better time
to explore
than now, to start a YouTube channel. So this is our very first video. Steven, what do we got looking forward to?
Yeah, so for our first video, we thought it'd be fun to make Remy, Jansen's dog, a Hinge account. See if we could swipe a little bit, send some likes, send some comments.
Yeah, do a little swiping, do a little roughing, and see if we can't get him a FaceTime date. Let's do it.
Profiles and personality would be better comments. Alright, so let's create his profile. What's Remy's job title? I mean, he's just a dog. Alright, pair your photos. He's got good eyes in that one. I seen him on my mom's fridge. He ain't got a mom. What's wrong with single dads? Maybe dating me will look like, hey girl, pat me on the head, tell me I'm pretty. Yeah, I think that shows a sensitive side, honestly. Yeah, he's stunning, small noses. And like, which one do you think is going to be the hottest? And the prompt is, let's go on a date here, and it's on the couch. Alright, so you bet flowers, I'm on the couch. You bet flowers. So, a shower thought I have recently. What about kids? He wants to have kids, for sure. There was one that, dating me is like going on long walks. And snuggles. Picking up like. Well, I want someone who, well, what am I done? Pick up. I'll pick the topic if you start the conversation. Romance. Alright, let's start sending some likes. Like, maybe it's a Halloween costume. Maybe, like, she's in the cosplay. As of right now, he already has 2, I guess, likes. She commented on his photo and put, so handsome OMG, all caps. It's almost like screaming. Yeah. So handsome OMG! Yo, girl. You trying to FaceTime or what? It's 2020, and we are in quarantine, so... FaceTime date? Question mark. Most spontaneous thing she ever done? Milk a cow in Africa. You're a psychological clinic. She is smart. Or she's a receptionist. Is that a filter? But the eyes for sure real. You know what? For that sake, I feel sorry for her. I don't. if she has a black eye, I hope she's okay. I say we don't waste a like on that. You know, you start up here and, then your standards fall. I mean, I'll just say sure, fire it. I'm just going to say no. Yeah, 100%. No. Did you have that? No. Alright, so Jules, 25 years old, stands at a towering 5'1". She doesn't have kids. She wants kids. She drinks. She does not smoke. She is an analyst at Facebook. Pet peeve. Sorry. The staple photo for ACL is the set of flags. So I get that it's a thing, but 95% of y'all have the same photo. I won't shut up about spin class, whiskey, and puns. Okay, the fact that she can drink whiskey, yeah, that's impressive. Solid. Account executive at a tech company. What tech company? Right. Time date? Question mark. And then the 2 pause. Alright, Emily. Head your way. Fact about me that surprises people. I'm a Red Wings fan from Chicago. Well, that doesn't surprise me because you just told me. Yes. Like that comment and put, yo girl, let me be yo dog. Girl. That's it. That's the one. Ooh! Emily matched us. I don't remember who Emily was, but we got a match. Oh, we got, yeah. Alright, let's check in on Emily. LMAO with you or your owner. The idea was to get Remy to FaceTime date with a girl and see how it goes. We should say, what owner? I own this place. FaceTime date? I'm also glad that you're doing this because I feel like you have a little bit more, there's a little bit more of your area of expertise. Kind of shots fired? Not that way. I just mean like, this is totally new to me. Okay. ACL picture. Don't mess this up. Maybe what do you think? I don't think he's interested. No? No, he's not interested. He's interested. Alright. She's from the Woodlands. I'm assuming sister and mother. The hallmark of a good relationship is the fruits of the spirit. What is this dude doing?
We're at Walmart to get the, what's it called again?
Egg pod.
Egg pod.
Egg pod.
Seeing as we're still under quarantine, we have to wear these little masks. So engage the mask, hope we can get into Walmart. And
find the egg pod.
And find the egg pod. You look like you're about to go sand some tables for Joanna Gaines. This freaking sucks. Please remain 6 feet apart, sir. Excuse me, ma'am. Alright, so we are looking for like things that are as seen on TV.
Yeah, this first batch of self-checkouts are.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's one all over from that. There's a whole wall. There's a bunch of junky things.
Oh.
And up there by where the cigarettes are,
Okay.
just the side of the cigarettes, that's SC on TVs.
That's our initial, they're the same price. And this one does more. Let's go with that one.
Yeah, this one.
Perfect, game changer. Let's go.
Alright, so we switched it up. Well, you were tall. Hi. Alright, so we switched it up. We went with the Perfect Egg Maker by Copper Chef. As seen on TV. Still as seen on TV, but it has more options. It does for perfect hard-boiled eggs. Also makes omelets. And poached eggs too. 2 egg trays. 1 extension ring. 14 eggs at a time. I'm a firm believer that you don't read instructions. You don't read instructions. Like, I think this should be, if it's as seen on TV, it should be simple enough for a reasonable mind to figure out. So, what do we want to start with? We just want to try the egg part? Yeah, I think we should do the hard boiled egg first. Oh, there's a picture. We're going to go based off the pictures. That's it. So, just turn it on. You have to put water. Is it saying anything on water? Oh, shoot. So that we don't mess this up, we're going to read the instructions on this part. Alright, here we go. Before first use a dishcloth, sponge with warm soapy water. Alright, here we go. Add water. We want medium eggs, we want hard eggs. 6 minutes? I thought it was supposed to be fast. Oh, those are pretty hot here. I would say relatively user-friendly.
We're back.
Eggs are done. The inside of that.
It looks fake.
That's pretty solid.
Yeah.
Oh, dude. Look at that. That is quality grade. Out of for an as seen on TV review, if we're going like out of 10, I'd give it a solid like 8.6. Alright, test it. Yes. So what would you say your score is out of 10?
Okay, so considering like what it is, I'd go 7, 8.
So, Copper Chef, I'll give it to you. Pretty solid. Over the night, Remy had quite a few hits. As of right now, we have 6 notifications, 5 of which are matches of them, and then 1 is a message. So Ellen last night, she got a little nervous, I think, after the tail wagging comment, and Remy responded, rough. Told her not trying to do that, just interested in meeting the sweet dog lovers like yourself. Her response was, well, do I get to see the human behind the perfect pup?
Perfect.
No. We will take our time and hopefully come back with a FaceTime. So we're back with an update on Remy. 1 new comment from Ellen. She said, oh, really, to our response. So I'm going to go ahead and ask her if she's down.
DTFT? Down to FaceTime?
We just completed Remy's Hinge account. We got a girl to FaceTime him. Not gonna lie, super awkward.
Oh yeah. He handled it well.
He handled it pretty well. He just said like one roof. Some guy showed up in the video. Kind of got a little weird. Other than that though, we had a good time. Kind of felt bad for the girl. She did text me later.
After the fact.
And she was like, are you mentally sane? And I was like, gosh, I feel so bad. So I did call her. Yo, Ellen, if you're watching this, we are mentally sane.
Swear quarantine is treating us well.
Hope you enjoyed the video. I think the ones we have coming up next are gonna be pretty fun.
Yeah.